How you doing? Today I thought we'd have a look at this Meguro signal generator. This signal generator was made by a company called Meguro Electronics in Tokyo, Japan, which I believe the Meguro is a river in Japan somewhere, so I think it's named after that. Anyway, it's an FM AM VHF standard signal generator, model number MSG-2851, and it weighs an absolute ton. It's all solid state, but internally they've sort of held on to the old valve era method of chassis construction. It dates from 1978, and that's pretty much all I can tell you about it, because I've looked it up on the web and I haven't been able to find any reference to this particular signal generator at all. I have found completed eBay listings for other Meguro signal generators, all of which have been quite a bit smaller than this, and yeah, really well made stuff. Apparently they made test equipment for production lines, so you know, high quality stuff. As I say, this one weighs an absolute ton. It's really heavy, and yeah, it covers 8 meg. It's calibrated for 8 meg to 13 meg in the first band, and then 25 meg to 250 meg in another 7 bands. So we'll switch it on and I'll show it to you. It also has an output for the frequency counter. So I have my leader Nixie tube frequency counter hooked up to it here. So we'll get it going there. Takes a couple of seconds to settle down. Yeah, I think we might have a crystal oven in it or something that's getting up to temperature. I don't know. I did have it open when I first got it. The mains on off toggle switch was intermittent, so I opened it up and I replaced that. There's not much to see inside because everything is inside a coil box. The attenuation is all done through relays. You can hear them clunking away there. That's just the switchy work. And then the fine attenuation is done inside, but there's a big bevel gear goes into the coil box. So I've no real desire to open up the coil box. There's a million screws in it, and I don't think there'd be anything gained by going in there. One thing it has got that I haven't seen before in a signal generator, it actually has a motor driven dial. So if one's little fingers get tired doing this, we can do that, which I think is a lot of fun, because I'm probably a bit sad, but yeah, I think that's cool. So there you are. One of the other things is it has external modulation input, and I've used this as a pantry transmitter on medium wave for a few old radios around the workshop, and it works really well because you can adjust the modulation depth and what have you. So that's good. And it actually, while it's calibrated to 8 megs, it will go all the way down to around 800 kilohertz in the AM band. So it should go right down. Yeah, it goes down to around 800, then it goes a bit, 900 say. I was a bit mad after that. And it works quite well. So yeah, that's the signal generator. If you see one, pull it out of a skip. They're worth having. And if you know anything about this particular model, comment below. I'd like to have a bit more information on it. As I say, I haven't been able to find any information online at all, so it'd be nice to know a bit more about it. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.